Hello everyone, welcome to Mendix Basic 6. In this chapter, we will talk about non-persistable entities. Before I start, I apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit sick. There's an illness. Sorry for that. Okay, let's start. Non-persistable entities. This, they are just like regular entities, but they stored in the runtime memory in the client side, and they are not related with the database, as you see here. They never get committed to the database. It means that they only exist in memory, and they are almost they are like the temporaries. I always use them 99% like the variables and the helpers, but we will talk about the use case in the next slides. Usually, garbage collector automatically removes these non-persistable entities, but as a best practice, if you are not using this kind of non-persistable entities, you can also delete via in a microflow or whatever with the delete activities, and never make a commit, never make a loop consequent declaration with the non-persistable entities. It will burn your RAM, as you know. These are the first use case. I will create a filter. Let's think about we have a course entity with the name and date, and we will create some search functionalities on it. For example, user can search the course name, for example math, when he enter like the MAT and search, all related contains courses will be showed in the bottom. And for example, a user can select the start and end date with the course date, and all the courses between these dates will be reported at the bottom. And from my first video, it's called the login page from scratch. You will remember the registration entity. It's also good practice to get the registration information via the non-persistable entities like we did in earlier. For example, if you want to create your account, you need to put your name, surname, email address, password, and confirm password. Then we can use these type of non-persistable entities to make necessary stuffs on microflow. Please check on my first video on the channel. And the second, I will create also the new teacher entity and bind to the course. And I will create a report helper. For example, I don't want to show all related stuffs with the course, just the name and this in the near the course of the name, I will show the name of the teacher. This is the use case. And we can create a report helper related with this course name and teacher name. User will see just this entity and does not need to see this entity itself. As I said in earlier, I generally use this kind of entities like the helpers, and that's it. Let's go to the Mendix Studio Pro. It's the initial app without the security, just the basic app. Go to the domain model. As you know, we can add an entity, and you see the persistable is default in yes, which means when you commit, it will go directly to the database. As a general information, the Mendix database can be Mendix database can be chosen like this. The built-in database, and built-in database means HSQL. While you're working, you can reach to the HSQL via advanced and start building database viewer. Okay, I think I did show in my previous videos. Okay, these are the database I can choose, but I will start with the built-in database and as a default. Okay. Also, to make a entity non-persistable, I need to click to no, and the background will be the orange. This will be the my non-persistable entity. So as a use case, I need to create a course entity with name and date. I put it simple. Yep. And with the as a shortcut, right click to the entity and you can create overview pages easily. You see overview pages come here, drag and drop. Yes, it's ready to we can add some courses on it. What I'm gonna do is I will create a filter entity. Filter. You can filter the courses by name, and also start date and end date. Okay, we need to use this entity in a page. Let's add a page with a blank. Put the name to the filter page. Yeah. Delete all of them. I will put a data view at first with my filter. Okay. Yes, please fill this up. Delete, save and cancel. I will put a layout grid to make it better. View, drag and drop all of them to the left side. Okay, this will be my filter, and I will put some button on it to make this search happen, and put name search within do nothing. I will create it later. Okay, I need to create this page from my home page. As a best practice and as a general information, this page has some context, and the page has a parameter. It means page has a parameter. It's kind of parameter. So you cannot directly call this page from home page. You see, there is an error. The selected page awaits an object. So what you do, what you're gonna do is you need to create an object, or you need to create a button, or just a regular button. Let me make a regular button. Okay. Then on click event, create object with the non-persistable filter, and then you can choose my filter page. Via this, you can call this page from here. Okay. Then we need a list view, nested view. Nested means when you have a data view outside and you have another data source, data container inside, then you will have kind of the nested view. So I put some list view on it and make data source as a microflow. Okay, I will call ds filter get courses blah blah. Yep. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna retrieve related courses and return them. If I did like this, all courses will be shown in the page. Let me save all. Okay, but I need to make this filter happen. Okay, so let us first make the start date and the end date attributes. I need to use the filter as an expat. Date, of course, will be filter start date greater than the filter start date, and also date is smaller than filter end date. Okay, this will show all related courses between these dates. Okay, so this button should do something. It will do. It will work as a refresher. Okay, Mendix has a great attribute called as a refresher. Change object to filter. I know it's kind of non-persistable entity, but I can change this. I can make this refresh in client, which means this is the important area, which means the whole page will be reloaded, will be actually loaded again, will be refreshed. So make this refresher like this. This is the very useful trick that I used in my real life. Okay, so the button is refreshed. Okay, super. So we need to see the courses and the dates. Okay, just a regular text with the parameters, name, and there's a second parameter, date, with the date and time. Yeah, correct. Let me see what happens. Run and test. Okay. Yes. By the way, this is the version 9.24.3. Let's put us some courses. Course 1, blah blah, 18. Math, I don't know. And English, what was the dates? 19, 3rd, and 14 maybe. Yes, once more. French with the 25. Okay, this will be the dates. Let's go to the filter page. Okay, let's put 4 and 11. Oh, let us check. 4 and 11. No, it's empty. I need to choose, for example, 10 and 20. Yeah, it's good. What about the start of the year? Search. Yeah, good. But what if I choose the course by name? For example, French. It's not work like this, just the start date. So we need to increase our logic. I put some decision marks on it. Actually, this is the wrong place, sorry. You need to use this. Okay, I need to put some decision marks. And this retrieve related with the date. So in this case, if filter name is empty, it means that I can use the date attribute. Okay, filter empty, true, and go like this and make this filter egg. If it's false, if it is if name is filled, so it will work by the filter by name. We can use some contain stuffs here. Name and filter by name. Okay, this is the course list 2, let us say, and right click and make this return value, then test again. Okay, go to the page again. Math, yes. French, yes. Just like this, L-E-L-I-A, English, yes. Okay, that's good. What was the our use case? Yes, the teacher and the helper parameter. Okay, I will do. Go to the domain model, close, put this like this, create a teacher entity with the name. Each course has one teacher, each teacher has one course to make it simplifier. Okay, I need to create some generate overview pages. Yeah, in the page, course will be selected. Okay, to make it test, I will put the teacher overview to my home page. So I will add some stuffs, but what I'm gonna do is I need to some report entities, report courses, for example, and with course name and teacher name. Okay. We need a list view to get, and we need also a microflow to get all courses and teachers, and this microflow will be will create these non-persistable entities and show in a page. Okay, create a new page, blank, with the report name. Click the layout grid, put a list view with the data source microflow, and create report microflow. Okay, there is no input and there is no output yet. I will create a list because it's used in a list view. I will create a list with the report courses, okay? And this will be the my page show. And also I need to create some page stuffs with my non-persistable entity, course name and teacher name will be shown there. Okay. And put it in a container to make each row better view. Okay. I need to create all courses first of all. I need to retrieve all courses. Then by each course, looping and creating some report courses entity, okay? Yep, course list, iterator course. In each course, I need to create this non-persistable entity. Oh, it's a spelling. Let me fix. Report course. Yes, it's singular. Better. Report course. Yes, I need to create a report course. Before do this. No, okay. Let us continue. Course name with the iterator. Course. Oh, yep. Iterator course name. And with the teacher, I need to associate. Retrieve by associate. Teacher name. Okay, it's good. I don't need to make a commit or refreshing client. Just create this object and put in this my list. Combine add list to the report course list. Okay. So the page will be ready. I need to call it from my home page. It's work because you can directly call the page from home page because page does not wait any parameter. Page has a data source with the microflow which is working itself. Okay, let's rerun and see what happens. To make it simulate, I need to create, of course, some teachers, entities. Sorry about that. Yeah, course teacher. Okay, teacher 1 to course 1. Teacher math to math. Very clever, huh? Teacher French. Teacher French to the French. What was the last one? English. Teacher English as an English course. And go to the direct report. Okay, it's good. Course 1, teacher 1, math, teacher math, English, teacher English, French, teacher French. So this is the last use case that I want to mention about it. As you can see, if there is two entities that we want to not show all of the entity to the user, we can create this kind of helpers, non-persistable entities with related stuffs, then fill in the microflow to show a page. Okay. Okay, guys, this week topic was the non-persistable entities. I hope you enjoy. If you have any question or if you have any required lesson and topics, please let me know. Thank you and see you. Bye.